Okay, hello everyone, and let's talk about the current week. As you can see, it is last week of stage one, and that means that you are too close or already passed the interview with a mentor. I hope that everyone saw that you were assigned to mentor and you should pass interview with this mentor and depend on the mentor solution decision. You will be assigned for this mentor within the stage two, or you will be assigned to other mentors. It's depend on a mentor availability for the stage two. But currently, we have enough mentors for each student on current course. So the your participation in stage two it's fully depend only on your knowledge and on your possibility to share this knowledge to mentor. I hope that it's not too hard for you, but I hope that mentor will help you to feel free within the interview and support you. And if you have any doubt related mentor or you definitely would like to have another mentor by some reason, please tell me about this reason and we'll see. Might be I will help you, but I will not, let's say, I will try to help, but I'm not sure that it's really possible. But let's see. Okay, and related to the last thing, the deadline the end of February, but I hope that you already contact with your mentor and try to find the most applicable time slot for you and for mentor. And pay attention in case you will contact with your mentor at the very end of this time or close to deadline. The mentor can reject you, so you wouldn't be able to pass interview. Uh, so I hope that you will contact and text or write in the Discord or in other messengers to your mentor, and you will or your mentor will set up the interview, but the actual date of interview might be at the very last day of the February. It's okay, but you should contact as soon as it possible. And related to week assignment, for this week, we propose you to know about CSS modules. Frankly speaking, is a young feature, modern feature, and it's not so popular, and might be you will not figure out or find this feature in your first, second project, but for more often, you will see the implementation of this feature in the project. So you propose to learn about CSS modules to be ready to any project. It might be modern, young project, or it might be let's say elder project, but the developers on any project might inject new features, improve code, make refactoring, and CSS modules. It's one of the result of refactoring. So you will not have any test or task related to this theme. This theme only for you, for your to mm, gain your knowledge, to extend your knowledge in IT and in HTML and CSS area. I hope it would be interesting for you. Perhaps the future task you will apply this knowledge and you can see that your code became more interesting, more readable and reusable. That's very important thing for any good code. And that's all for this week, because I hope that you will pay attention on week assignment. It's data structure and basics JS. You got this task previous week and should complete next week. So I hope that you will have enough time to implementation the solution for these tasks and have time to prepare for interview. And that's all from my side. Any questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah.
As I understand that if I don't pass interview with mentor, I cannot continue study at stage second.
Yep, it's correct.
Oh,
Um,
thank you.
our educational materials, tasks, and so on are publicly available. So you can learn it, fulfill the task, but the mentor will not help you because you will have no own mentor.
Yes, but I won't have any access to my personal cabinet with all my structure, learning structure.
Yeah, you will not have.
Okay, thank you.
But the educational materials will be available for all time.
That's
Even
true,
the
but if you
next
have this
year.
structure and you have possibility to follow these deadlines, it's much more comfortable than just to study by your own.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you.
So I hope that everyone can pass the interview and I will see
I hope
everyone
so.
in
But my
stage two.
English, my technical English is not so good, and some things it's hard to explain even on your own language, on your native language, and when it's you need to say some terms in English, it's so hard.
I know. And if you worry, definitely and worry about your English level for the stage one interview, you can reach me and I will try to find the mentor who can speak on your language
Oh
or
no,
some
I'm sure
other.
that the mentor could speak in Russian, for example, which I know, but still so. So
When I creating a pairs for mentor interview, I try to combine pairs where the mentor and student can speak on one same language better than English. I'm trying to find mentors from the same location or same language zone and so on. So, yep, some mentors, for instance, I have student from Turkey and no one mentor from Turkey or student from Mexico, and I have no one mentor from Mexico. So this case, I will combine mentor and student in a pair, depend only on English language. But in case I know that some student can speak, let's say, Russian, and mentor also can speak Russian, I will combine in them in one pair.
okay, thank you for your for doing such a great work.
Uh, Don't worry. I hope that it help for mentor and for students as well.
I'm sure it
But
is.
if I miss someone and I should reorganize some pairs, just reach me. I hope it's.
No, I
I can do
already
it.
contacted my mentor, and I'm waiting for time to have my interview, and it's so, oh my god. I'm so worried.
Oh, everyone worry for the first interview, and for second, and for third. It's okay. I've been working for almost 9 years, and I'm still worried for each interview, each time, and it's. I guess it's okay.
But it's easier to contact with mentor and communicate in English when it's like sandbox, but not a real interview with a real job offer and opportunities. So
Yeah,
it's a great experience.
yeah, it's a practice, and it's help you to figure out whether your English is enough to try to pass interview in some English speaking company, or you should work on your language level. And it's also okay to figure out it's now.
That's true. Totally agree.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm so
Okay.
disappointed that no one, just we are here in this meeting, so it's strange.
It's absolutely okay. A lot of students have, I guess, work or busy time. It's okay. We have a lot of students from different time zone, and as I know, some students it's early morning now or night. So I don't worry, it's okay. Thank you for your question.
Thank you for answering.